Hello friends, welcome to Mifratech eLearning. This is metal detection robot. So now we'll see the working of this. We'll check up with RF transmitter and receiver. So now it's paired. Near the volume. So this is RF transmitter and this is RF receiver. Now we'll check with the movements. Forward, backward, left, right. Yes, it's moving. So now we'll see the detection of metal. So we'll get the beep sound when it is detected. See friends, we are using the components here. Power source, 4-channel relay, RF receiver, RF transmitter and Arduino Uno, and this metal detection part. So this is the movement. For movement we are using wheels and motors. Okay, thank you so much for watching this demonstration. Thanks.